All righty. Hello, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Reverend Wilson, the direct mail expert. I am pumped. I'm excited. I'm coming to you again on this Saturday. Happy Saturday. We made it through the week, and it's Saturday. All right, y'all. I got another tool that I want to share with you. Remember, I said I was going to be sharing some of the tools that we are using to have success in our business. These are tools that everyone needs. And We Got Friends is a powerful tool that you need, and you can get started right now for free during this pre-launch. You can actually lock in your free spot and watch your team explode. Folks, you ever want to be a part of something fairly new, this is what you want to be a part of. And folks, they used to have something called the NFL Club, No Friends Left. Because you know how you try to promote your business with your friends and family? That does not work. You will lose friends real quick. Well, this system right here is called We Got Friends. Because, folks, this system here provides you traffic where you can promote your business opportunity. Okay? And this is going to be the world's biggest free launch. So I'm going to play this. I have the link in the description of this video. This is a no-brainer. This is not going to be a long video. You just need to secure your spot, watch the Zoom presentation, and bam, I'm going to have that in the link as well. Because, folks, this is going to be powerful. It's going to be powerful. So I wanted to bring it to you, and I wanted you to hear it from the direct mail expert's mouth. This is a free launch. Listen to me again. This is a free launch. You can lock in your free spot right now. I'm going to shoot this video here and press play so you can hear what is going on. Here we go.
We are about to show you your future. But first, let us tell you about our past. So the year was 2015. January 3rd to be exact. The time was 9 p.m. Eastern. The lines were muted. It was showtime. We had no idea what to expect. But we knew one thing. The most powerful marketing system ever created in that time and space was about to be unleashed to the mass marketing community. The results were shocking. Week 1, 27,891 signups. Week 4, 168,419 signups. Week 8, 378,927 signups. Week 11, 487,236 signups. Never in the history of network marketing had a company experienced such phenomenal growth. So what's my point? That was then, 2015, and this is now, 2023. It's time to unleash the second coming of the Digital Duplicator 5.0. This is exactly what you and everyone else have been searching for. In life, you don't get too many second chances. I suggest you lock in your free position now.
That's it. Just lock in your free position right now. I got the link. Down here. I'm going to play another video here to share with you why you need to join right now. Right now. Not later, right now. Why you need to get started right now. Okay? We Got Friends. Opportunity is here.
Here you go again. watching another video on how to make money. And you're probably thinking to yourself, I really want one of these to work. The problem is that you got no friends. And you're in the infamous no friends left club. More than likely, you're not an expert in internet marketing, or even have the budget to place ads, right? Well, for the first time ever, we got you. Because we got friends, and lots of them. As a matter of fact, you're going to get 100 of the hottest leads the minute you join us. So now, we cut off the biggest excuse of why you failed. Not only do you get leads, you get some of the biggest, top earners to close them on your behalf. Hearing this, you probably want to be our best friend, right? Since we solve the two biggest issues, lack of people to show a business to, and not knowing how to close them. Now, as good as this is, it only gets better. We're putting everyone that joins into our Nitro line. Every time you log in, you get to smile as you see that Nitro line of your team just getting bigger and bigger. So getting our friends is awesome, but you know what's better? Is getting paid. So we designed a comp plan that can practically change your life overnight. Would you like to earn more in a week than most people do in a month? Yeah, we thought that you would say yes to that one. Now you're thinking, what is this going to cost me? This is the best part. When you join, we're going to show you the ways to get the money you spent right back without even signing anyone up. To see the way we do this, you need to watch the webinar on the next page. So, do you want all of our hot friends? Do you want to make more money? Do you want to solve all the reasons you failed in the past? And do you want to see a team exploding under you every single day? Soon as you grab a spot, you'll be placed in the Nitro line. Next person that joins can be getting placed under you. So this happens to infinity. So the faster you lock in a spot, the faster you can see your team explode. So fill in the form, watch the video on the next page, and lock in a spot as fast as possible. We'll see you on the next page.
And it's really that simple. It's really that simple. You want to lock in your spot right now. And I'm going to tell you, some of you may be wondering what I'm eating. I made homemade pancakes. You see that? Homemade pancakes. Okay, it's Saturday morning. So I normally get up Saturday morning and make some kind of homemade something. So I just whip together these delicious pancakes. And my God, they are delicious. All right? So you want to lock in your position. And you want to do that right now. It's free. It's free. Lock in your position right now. Okay? Now, here's the dealio. Okay? Here's the dealio. Okay? Now, what is this? What is We Got Friends? It kind of reminds me of the old AOL. Remember those AOL discs you used to get in the mail? When you had dial-up internet, and you sign into your AOL account and says, you got mail. Well, this is called We Got Friends. Those friends are leads and traffic to your opportunity. Whether you are in maybe Live Good, maybe you're in Digital Wealth Pro, maybe you're in Mary Kay, Avon, maybe, well, no matter what business you're in, you need traffic and you need leads. And We Got Friends gives you the highest quality leads in the world. The highest quality leads in the world to promote your business to. And we're in pre-launch right now. And you can lock in your free spot right now and align yourself with the largest media source in the world for hot traffic of people that want to buy from you. They want to buy from you. Every month, you're going to get a guaranteed 100 new friends equals leads every month. And these are people that are looking for a business to join. Why not have them join your business? What business are you in? Why not have them join your business? That's why you need to lock in your free spot right now, because there's going to be a library of apps. You know, on your phone, we have apps on our phone. We got Burger King, McDonald's. You go to the McDonald's drive-thru, and they even ask you before you even order, did you place an order through the app? Folks, we're going to have apps that you can click on and get cash back and make money from these apps as well. There's going to be so much more coming, folks, but we're in pre-launch right now. And you can lock in your position right now so that you are ready. I believe in 6 days we're going live. I think in 6 days we're going live. So for the next 6 days, we're going to be pumping these videos out to share with you this opportunity where you can lock in your free position right now. Okay? Right now. So I'm excited. Okay? And there's going to be a lead store where you can get more leads and sell these leads as well to other marketers. Folks, this is genius, and it's powerful, and it is absolutely amazing. So what I want to do is this. Let me do this here. Okay, let's see. Where we at on time here? Because I know it's Saturday and everything. I don't want to go over my time. So let me just do this, okay? I want you to go ahead. See this form right here you're looking at? All right, you are just seconds away from locking in your spot. I want you to go ahead and lock in your spot right now, okay? Just go ahead and put in your name, your email, your phone number. Click here. Go on to the next page. There's a webinar there. You can watch the webinar if you like and lock in your position. Go ahead and get registered and lock in your position, okay? So after you fill out this information, then the next page, that is where you register and lock in your position. So bam, you are in, all right? And then you can give me a call on my cell phone at 330-949-4259. Let me know. Just text me, I've locked in my position. Just text me, I've locked in my position, okay? We got some top spots available, and they're available for you. So I'm excited. I hope you are. Hey, these are the tools that we're using to promote our business. This is the tool that we're using to get cash flow, because there are 5 ways to get paid. 5 ways to get paid. Let me say that again. 5 ways to get paid. All right. So go ahead, lock in your position. This is a no-brainer. You know, hey, you don't like it? Hey, jump out. But if you do, hey, you're going to get 100 leads every month. That's why it's called We Got Friends. Those friends are traffic. Those friends are people. Those friends are eyeballs that want to look at your opportunity. But not only do they want to look at your opportunity, they also want to join your opportunity. So that's why this is an awesome setup right here. So go ahead, click on the link in the description, lock in your position, and give me a text at 330-949-4259 that just says, I've locked in my position. God bless you, and there will be more videos to come on We Got Friends. All right now, God bless you.